Hey friends, in the previous video we learned how to send the JSON as the response. In this video we will learn how to add more headers to the response. As we have seen that we can send headers from the client to the server. Similarly, we can send headers from the server to the client as well. So we will create another endpoint and we will just name it headers, and we'll again do the call object, and then in the response of the call you will see that we have a object called headers, and headers give us several methods, one of which is append. And this append method takes mainly two values, a name and a value. So name is basically the key of the header. So we have seen that there are certain headers like content type, or if you do authorization you will see that there is a header called authorization. Those are basically sent from the client, but the server can add more information to the request, or sorry, to the response, which they necessarily don't want to add it to the body of the response. So what we do is we add that extra information to the headers of the response. So here, suppose we want to send the server name to our client. So what we will do is we'll add the name, server name, and we will add the value as Ktor server. So now if we run this example and let's open our postman and make the request to this endpoint. So let's try with respond text and rerun the server. Let's make the request again. Okay, so now we are getting the headers attached as the response, and when we go to the headers tab of postman you will see that we have the new header added as Ktor server, and these are some default headers that are sent in every response. So we can even add more headers, and you can add any key or any value to it. There is no restriction on it. So if we want to say chocolate is the key and the value is I love it. So let's restart the server and make the request again, and you can see that we can send the header chocolate with the value I love it. So that's all in this video. In the next video we will learn how to send files back to the client. If you want to download an image or download a PDF sort of thing, so we will learn about that in the next video. Thank you.